Hello, I'm Philip Stoten from EMSNow. I'm here at NEPCON Shenzhen and I'm on the Kaizen booth and I'm joined by Don from VJ Electronics. Don, thanks for joining me. We're stood in front of one of the biggest machines here, but certainly the biggest machine we've seen from you guys. New product, tell me a bit about it.
That's right, this is our new Vertex 2 X-ray system. It's a follow-on on our popular Vertex Series A, which has been available for the last 5 years. This system has some of the new imaging technology, such as digital imaging detectors, or flat panel detectors as they're called, is one of the options. It's combined with a XY manipulator, which gives you off-axis capabilities, much like you'd see in another system with a C-arm. However, this is much more cost-effective and also maintains a plane so that there's limited distortion or no distortion due to the magnification when you're in an off-axis position.
Okay. And it seems that the X-ray market's really kind of motoring on at the moment. It used to be that it was a luxury that people would have on, one or two lines, but now it's becoming almost obligatory.
That's correct, especially with a lot more BGAs, QFNs, and other packages that have solder joints that are obscured by the package body itself. It's become a necessity to actually have an inspection technique where you can look at solder joint integrity beneath the package, and that's what X-ray brings you.
Okay, and what kind of growth have you seen in the terms of volumes? The total available market seems to be growing pretty fast. How's your share doing?
Well, that's actually a very good question. Not only is the market growing, but there's also a lot of new players in the market as well. You see across the world new introductions of X-ray machines at all kinds of price points. We tried to focus on a very good value. We're in a middle price point, and we offer a lot of automation and very easy programming, so that if you don't need the very super high magnification on the high price systems, but you want the automation to bring any variability in operator to operator out, that's what we're trying to offer.
Okay, and does that play really well in this market, or is that something you develop for the US or pretty much global?
Anywhere where the volume's going to be high.
Right.
If you have operators that are involved in the inspection process, you've got to be cautious about the variability, and that's what we're trying to take out, but not at a price point where you see the inline machines and the very high failure analysis machines.
Yeah, and you talk about volume being high, so I guess speed is an issue. How hard is it to develop high speed when you've got to get the product in there, you've got to close it down, vacuum and everything else?
Well, in this case, we actually use what's called a monoblock source, so we're not worried about vacuum. The vacuum is always there. The source is more like a light bulb. If there's a failure, you replace the entire source. It actually brings the cost of ownership down as well, because you start with a very low entry point. In terms of the volume though, however, this is not an inline machine. This is typically used as a batch process, new product introductions, or to validate the process from time to time again.
Okay, so if they want to go faster, they just need to buy more machines, I guess.
That's one good solution that we like, yes.
That's one that you like, yeah. And what about the Chinese market for you generally? Are you finding that more of it's gravitating down here to Shenzhen from Shanghai, or the new sort of western regions of Chengdu?
Well, actually, we see the strongest area as being here in the Shenzhen or the south. We do also have a lot of customer base up in the Shanghai area. We're seeing a little bit of growth out west.
Okay, but slowly.
Slowly, that's right.
Yeah. Okay, and how's the show been so far?
So far, so good. It's been a very busy first day. We're encouraged.
Yep. Okay, well, Don, good luck with the rest of the show. Good luck with the product. I'm sure it'll go very well. And thanks for talking to me.
All right, thank you very much.